Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and we are going to get cracking. We're jumping right in. Today is a motivational Monday, and we are just going to start right here in the front and center. I am cleaning off my baseboard or my trimming, as well as cleaning up my hallway, you guys. And what I like to do with my baseboards, because sometimes I feel like that is kind of a missed area in our homes, along with crown molding, ceiling fans. We tend to forget those things that we don't visibly see or get to as often. So periodically I will go along with my Clorox wipes and give them a detailed cleaning, but for the most part, sweeping them off is what I do to maintain them. Now I'm moving on into my formal living area, you guys. I had just completed a couple of presentations for upcoming events, and yay me, I booked both of them. What I like to do with a potential client is to give them as much visual aid as possible. I hear their vision and I bring out all the textures, all the colors, just different things to help them see what their day could potentially look like, or just getting ideas so that we're both on the same page as to how they want their day to look or feel for the day of. So I bring out everything, my swatches, I bring out plate chargers, napkin rings, votives, what have you. And in the end, most people choose purple. I think it's the quintessential color for all things events. That is my number one style color for my events. So if you're in the event planning world, let me know if what's your most popular event color. Because for me, purple is it hands down. Once I've moved all of those items back into their proper places, I am now going to proceed with putting everything away. That's my signature style of cleaning. Just remove items that don't belong. And at this point, if there's something that you need to purge, toss, give away, or what have you, this is a good time to do it when you start your cleaning. If it's not necessary to you, bless someone else with it or give it to Goodwill. So that's what I'm doing. I'm here again putting away items just that I use to give a visual aid for an event. Those are some wrapping papers that we use to do our custom box towers, just to do names or just whatever saying they want on their tower boxes. So I love to pull out everything to show them. Putting away the plate chargers. Again, I pull it all out, you guys. Napkin rings, just you name it. So I'm putting everything back in their proper places. Now let the cleaning begin. And so, I do this periodically. I will fluff over or flip over my cushions on my sofas just to stretch out the longevity or the life of the cushions. I like to refluff my throws and the pillows and all of that good stuff, especially if I've had company over and we've been sitting and lounging in the space. Moving on to the sofa, I'm doing the same thing. Flipping over the cushion. And I don't necessarily have to do a lot of vacuuming to this particular sofa because it doesn't get a lot of wear. So that wasn't necessary, but I just wanted to just kind of fluff everything out to give it a fresh look. You guys, I absolutely love these throws. I know they are faux fur, but for me, they are styled in my home year round. Literally, every space in my home has a fur throw in it year round because I think they're so glam and they just add a certain level of warmth to a space. pillows fluff. Now let's proceed to the cleaning. For those that are new to my channel, I have a very simplistic technique when it comes to cleaning my glass and mirrors, and that is simply one warm wet cloth and one dry cloth. Both are terry cloth, and I just use the wet one to wipe or clean it up, and then I proceed with the dry one to, of course, dry it off. However, several of my YouTube family have suggested I use a couple of brands. They've suggested the Mrs. Myers. I think it's called Sprayway. So I will be doing some product reviews very soon. So be looking for that. But I am just an old school cleaner, and what works for me works for me. So I tend not to stray, but I've said I'm going to be more open and try new things. So I will be trying out the new or different glass cleaners. But right now I'm still using my tried and true technique of just a wet cloth and a dry cloth. And guys, to clean my wood surfaces, I am using the Pledge multi-surface cleaner, and it seems to be working okay. I will say though that I miss the shine that I got from my old school Pledge, so I'm going to be trying another product for wood cleaning as well. But until it is used up, I am going to continue using it. It's not horrible, but I do miss the shine from the traditional Pledge. But that may just be the old school cleaner in me looking for a certain look in my cleaning products. And you guys, okay, so you all know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm an old school cleaner. And I'm the type that if it doesn't break down, I just don't run out and buy new products or items because they're just new and hot and trending. So this little vacuum cleaner has been with me well over 10 years, you guys. But I want you to know that shortly after this video, I was going to clean another area and she died. So say farewell to my little dust buddy. She's gone to vacuum cleaner heaven. So I have since this video purchased another one, but I am going to miss her. She has cleaned many spaces for me in her lifetime, but I guess after 10 years I've gotten my money's worth, right? I just thought I'd share that with you guys. If you're new to the channel and you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join this TMB family. We are full of positivity and creativity, and you will find plenty more lifestyle content such as what you see here. Now, to my tried and true, I want you to always know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Without you, the channel would not be what it is. I'm so appreciative of you all. Also, if you're not already, please connect with me on my other social media sites. I can be found on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed, beautiful, and most productive day. Smooches.